In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook group. Creating a Facebook group is a great way to bring people together around a shared interest, a business, a class, or even a private community for friends and family. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step, from finding the right button to filling out the basic details, so you can get your group up and running with confidence. First, open Facebook and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main Facebook homepage, look for the section where you can access different parts of the platform, like your newsfeed, marketplace, and so on. There, you should see an option labeled Groups. Go ahead and click on Groups. This will take you to the Groups area, where you can see groups you've already joined and discover new ones. Once you're on the Groups page, look for a button that says Create New Group. This is usually easy to spot near the top or side of the page. Click on Create New Group to start setting up your own. A creation window or page will open, asking you to type in your group details. Take your time here, because these basics help others understand what your group is about. Start by entering a clear, descriptive group name. Try to choose something that reflects the purpose of your group, so people immediately know what to expect. Next, you'll be able to choose the privacy settings. Decide whether you want your group to be public, where anyone can find and see who's in it, or private, where only members can see the posts. Think about the kind of community you're building. For example, support groups or internal team groups usually work better as private. You may also see an option to make the group visible or hidden in search, which adds another layer of privacy if you need it. You'll usually have the option to add some initial members by typing in their names. You can start with just a few people and invite more later, so don't worry if you're not ready to add everyone yet. When you're happy with the name, privacy settings, and any initial members you've added, look for the Create button, click on Create, and Facebook will build your new group for you. That's it. You've successfully created a Facebook group, and from here you can customize it further with a cover photo, a description, and your first welcome post.